Now come to the question. A wire of resistance 1 ohm is stretched to double its length. What will be its new resistance? Okay. In the question, there is a wire of 1 ohm resistance. Consider this is the wire of 1 ohm resistance is stretched to double its length. This wire is stretched to double its length. Imagine the length of the wire, initial length of the wire is L. Then after stretching, the length will be 2L. One more thing, when you stretch the wire, the cross section area is going to reduce. Okay. When you stretch the wire, the length will increase and cross section area decreases. Okay. Now we have two wires in this question. Before stretching, wire 1, and after stretching, wire 2. One thing is to be noted that after stretching the wire, mass, material, density and volume of the wire remain same. Okay. Mass of the wire cannot change because the amount of matter contained in this volume is same as the amount of matter contained in this volume. So mass will be same before and after stretching the wire. Material is not going to change because if this is a copper wire, then it remains the copper wire after stretching. Density, same as density remain constant. Okay. Copper wire remains copper wire. So the density of copper wire remains same. And volume. Since we know that density is equals to mass upon volume. Density of the wire remains same. This is constant. Mass of the wire remain constant. So volume of the wire also constant. Okay. Also same. So note it down. This is very important point to be noted for this type of questions. Mass, material, density and volume of the wire remain same. Okay, after stretching the wire. Now we can write volume of wire 1 is equals to volume of wire 2. Okay, because volume remains constant. What is the volume of this cylindrical wire? The volume of a cylinder is cross section area multiplied by length. So the volume of wire 1 is A1 into L, which is equal to cross section area into length. Here the cross section area is A2 into length is 2L. Okay. When you solve it, LL gets cancelled and A2 is equals to A1 by 2. What does it mean? It means the cross section area becomes half of that of the initial wire. Okay. So the A2, the cross section area of wire 2 is equal to half of A1. Okay. When length gets doubled, the cross section area gets half. Okay. So if we assume A1 is A, then A2 will be A by 2. Okay. Now write down the data for wire 1. Wire 1 has resistance R1 which is equals to 1 ohm. Resistivity. What is the resistivity of wire 1? Assume it is rho. Say. Okay. Length of wire 1 is L and cross section area of the wire is A. Okay. And we know the relation that R1 is equals to rho 1 L1 upon A1. So this is the expression for resistance of a wire having length L1 and cross section area A1 and resistivity rho 1. Now put the values. R1 is 1 ohm, rho 1 is rho, L1 is L and A1 is A. Okay. So this is equation 1. Rho L by A is equal to 1. Now write down the data for wire 2. Resistance of the wire is unknown. This is to be calculated. And resistivity rho 2 will be rho because the material is not changing. Okay, after stretching the material remains same, so the resistivity will be same. Okay, and temperature is constant. Okay, resistivity depends on material and temperature, and after stretching the material and temperature both remain constant, so the resistivity will be same as that of the first wire. And the length L2 will be 2L, double of its original length, and cross section area we have calculated that the cross section area gets halved. Okay, so it will be A by 2. Now write down the formula for R2. R2 is equals to rho 2 L2 divided by A2. R is equal to rho L by A. I am using this formula. R is equals to rho L over A. Okay. So from this formula we have R2 is equal to rho 2 L2 over A2. Put the values. Rho 2 is equals to rho. L2 is equal to 2L and A2 is equals to A by 2. Okay. When you solve, you get 4 rho L over A. And rho L over A is equals to 1. From equation 1, we have rho L by A is 1. Now put the value of rho L by A, 1. We have 4 ohm. So the wire, second wire, after stretching, the wire has resistance of 4 ohm. Means resistance increases. When we stretch the wire, resistance increases. Okay, note it down.